Let's make a chocolate cake. First thing we're going to do is add together our dry ingredients, which are 2 cups of flour, 2 cups of sugar. This is just regular white granulated sugar. A teaspoon of salt. 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and we're just going to whisk that all together. Just regular all-purpose flour. Once that's completely mixed together, then we're going to add our liquid ingredients together in another bowl. And that is a cup of buttermilk. This is actually the buttermilk substitute, and I'll link to that up above. Half a cup of oil. 2 eggs. And vanilla extract. You can use a whisk. And we're going to add that to our dry ingredients. Mix it around. I did forget a step, which is important for chocolate cake, the cocoa. This is a 1/2 cup of regular Nestle's cocoa, Hershey's cocoa, and a 1/4 cup of the special dark, for a total of 3/4 cup of chocolate powder. And then, to give it a little extra flavor boost, we stir in 1/2 cup, 1 cup of hot coffee. That seems to be pretty well mixed and smooth. And then we're going to pour that mix into 2 9-inch cake pans. So we have to do half in one and half in the other. I've greased and floured the cake pans. And there's a round of parchment paper in the bottom as well. And then we're going to put those in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes until a toothpick put in the center of it comes out clean. Let's take a look and see how our cakes are doing. I would say that one is done. That one is also done. Just trying to loosen it up a little bit here. Hoping that it's worth the effort. It was. Well, so let it set for a minute. I think this is the safest way to flip them. Okay, now we're going to let them sit to cool completely, and I think that's going to be an overnight deal because it's currently 11:36 p.m.